Okay guys, I just want to do a quick review on this, and I really like this one right here because the blue light on this mask helped my son control his acne problem. And this is the first time I see visible result from a light therapy. My wife has this bulky red light mask and she asked me to purchase this one because she wants to be able to move around while doing red light therapy. But she still prefers to use the other mask because it also covers her neck and the light on that mask is more intense. So she let my son, who has oily skin and acne problem, to give this a try and to see if it works. After just a couple of days of using this, I noticed that my son's face is starting to clear up. He still have acne breakout, but it is not as much as before he started using this mask. So this thing has three modes. The first is the red light. It's supposed to boost collagen and help to firm and smooth the skin. The next one is the amber light, and the amber light is supposed to help calm inflammation and improve circulation and support lymphatic drainage. And the last one is the blue light. The blue light is the one that clears the bacteria and minimizes oil and reveals a smoother, more balanced complexion. So my son uses this while playing computer games, so he's more willing to put it on because he's just in front of the computer. If he has to set aside a time just to wear this, I don't think he'll be able to remember to wear this all the time. So if you're looking for a light therapy mask that you can use while you're doing other chores, then I highly recommend this product.